It really does stink when you fart.
I love you too.
2015 Topps Jumbo. Since you guys think that she's just so much better than me.
It's not a thinking thing, it's a knowing thing. I mean...
I think I'm the... Anyway, go. I'm gonna beat your ass. Just like I did the last time. For those of you that have followed...
He's won one battle and he's hanging on to it.
For those of you that have followed the channel for a while, know that well, it wasn't the last time, but one of the other times that we opened a jumbo box is when I got the Buster Posey printing plate. So, here we go, 2015. So they changed it up a little bit this year with the borders. Kind of got away from the solid colors into like the red, so that was a red border, and then you have the Athletics with the green border there. So there's a lot of different colors going on here. It's pretty neat. Here's Derek Jeter, card number 1. Let's see. And they have some pretty neat inserts this year. What is this? Archetypes. You got the Greg Maddux. Oh my god. Now, we watched the video the other night and I was really commenting on how nice these cards were, and then I had to go and get a Roger Clemens. Not a fan. And they have these originals, which I guess kind of like are like the buybacks. So we got Clyde Wright. You can see the stamp right there.
What is this?
I don't know. Scratch off one of the above boxes to reveal your code. Enter the code, blah blah blah. They have these code cards, and I got the one I wanted. So I got the first pitch. They have the celebrity first pitches, so they have 50 cents.
Mine is Susie. Is that the girl with the one name?
I don't know.
We saw that one the other night.
Yeah, no idea. And of course, what is this? Highlight of the year. Roger Maris hits 61st home run. Nice insert there.
I got Ted Williams.
Cool. Huh. And of course, this year they upped the amount of cards in each series. So Series 1 and 2 will have 350 cards. Nice Troy Tulowitzki there. And I think, like they started a few years ago, they omit card number 7. So.
That's nice.
5. Another graph, but nope. Alright, so let's see, we got the gold card, Jason Hayward, who's on the Cardinals now. Nice Giancarlo Stanton, got that big contract in the offseason. Clayton Kershaw, no-hitter insert. And a Reggie Jackson free agent insert. So I guess this is commemorating the 40 years of since free agency. Then we got inspired play insert, Freddie Freeman and the Crime Dog, Fred McGriff. That's pretty neat. I don't know where the other half of my cards went. Okay. So, just an update too. Still have not received my insert. So, it's like 5 months and counting now.
Redemption.
Yeah, whatever. Insert. What did I say? Insert.
You
Yeah,
said insert.
my redemption. Yep.
Oh, 10 months ago.
Yeah, I was just about to show it 10 months ago.
Oh, okay.
So each jumbo box comes with 1 autograph and 2 relics. One of the relics being commemorative. I think this year they have a pen, so it looks like she just got the commemorative one. Hopefully it'll be somebody good. of course, it's the standard 10 packs, 50 cards in a pack, so you get 500 cards in a box. So hopefully, I will get the whole set here. So let's see, we got Goose Gossage free agent inserts.
That's interesting.
Oh, cool.
I didn't know they had.
Is this Eddie Matthews? Oh no. Sorry. Red Shane Dienst. I don't know why I said Eddie Matthews. Inspired Clay insert. And I got an autograph. I didn't know the autograph was in here. Oh. Eric Davis autograph on a sticker. So that's not bad.
And Billy Hamilton is who the.
Nice. He's one of the guys who is on my triple autograph redemption I'm waiting for. It was a nice Juan Marichal insert.
Who is the autograph?
Eric Davis. And this is for home runs. 37 home runs in a season was his career high. What? Oh, you got the relic too? Eric Davis is going to be tough to beat. Future stars. That's pretty nice. Of course, one of the benefits too to getting these so early is possibly getting
Oh, that is adorable.
possibly getting a like a hot box, I guess.
She is rocking it.
It's cool. Got a nice Mike Piazza archetype insert. Got another one of these Gallery of Greats, and it is Mariano Rivera. That's really, really nice. Code card. Got a Tom Morello. Of course, he was the guitarist for Rage Against the Machine. All right, here we go. Got a Michael Jack Schmidt. And, oh, not bad. Johnny Cueto. Pretty good. Johnny Cueto. And we got, oh, before I drop it, Derek Jeter insert. So again, I'm going to say it again. Jumbo boxes where it's at. You get more bang for your buck. All these inserts. You have to see a David Wright, but I really haven't been looking. I believe he's in.
I have a ton of
one.
Mets cards in there, but I didn't pay attention.
I got the Mike Trout sliding in head first. Card number 300.
Oh, that's a nice card.
Sure. Got the George Herman Ruth. Very nice. Very, very nice. Tony Gwynn, Archetypes inserts.
No, there's that Apple Founded card.
Biz Marquis throwing out the first pitch. Some of these rappers look like they can't throw worth a crap. And I think I took this one. I think I took it. I got a Justin Verlander insert. And you got a Babe Ruth. All right. I think I took it. I got the autograph. I think Eric Davis is definitely going to trump those.
Yeah.
So all you Reds fans out there,
I
boom.
can't say anything because I don't know who these two guys are. So.
Thanks for watching. Post down below who you think won. Of course, I did. You suck.